Hello my friends, welcome again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to introduce my homemade supercapacitor. It's a very strong, very nice, very beautiful supercapacitor. It is 1.6 volt and 250 farad. It has a very low internal resistance and very high output current, so it's almost like a professional commercial supercapacitor. Momentarily I'm going to test my supercapacitor, show you its capacity and capability. But before I get started to test the supercapacitor, I want to show the inside of it, because when I make some videos about supercapacitor, some people ask me that this is a fake video, there is a commercial supercapacitor or battery hidden inside the tip. So in order to show you that this is not a fake video, it's a real homemade supercapacitor, I want to show you inside the supercapacitor. After that we'll make some test on it. Okay, let me open it and show you inside it. As you see, my friends, there's an electrolyte inside the tube. Now when I tap the lid of the tube, see I have my supercapacitor here. Inside it, it's still in electrolyte, and this is the supercapacitor. Now we are going to test our supercapacitor. Okay, first of all, I am going to measure the initial voltage inside the supercapacitor. I have my multimeter here, just set it to voltage mode, and as you see, there is 0 volt inside it for now. Now I am going to charge my supercapacitor with my charger. I'm going to charge with 2 amp. So if I charge my supercapacitor with 2 amp, it will take a little bit over 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes to fully charge my supercapacitor. Now let's charge it. Okay, my friends, after charging a little bit over about 2 minutes, now it's time to measure the voltage again. Again, I got my multimeter here, and I will measure the voltage again. As you see, at this time we have 1.5352 volt inside the supercapacitor. Now I am going to just make a short circuit on this. I have some pieces of copper wire here, and I will just short circuit my supercapacitor. See the output current in order to see the output current. Oh, as you see, it's just melted the copper wire. Okay, make another one. Oh, as you see, just melt the copper wire. One more time. Oh, see? Just one another time. I will show you closer. After short circuiting, let's measure the remaining voltage. How many voltage left over in the supercapacitor? Okay, after this, we have still 1.07 volts still inside the supercapacitor. Now I will charge my supercapacitor again and run this DC motor and this small blender with my supercapacitor. Okay, I fully charged again my supercapacitor. Now I will run this DC motor with the supercapacitor. You see? It runs the DC motor very fast. It can run this DC motor for about 1 hour. It's pretty cool capacity. Now I will run this small blender. You see how fast it can run this DC blender. It's great. So, okay my friends, one more time I will make a short circuit and after that I will end up the video. Okay. Ow! Ooh, it's pretty strong supercapacitor. Okay my friends, we get the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to make this kind of homemade supercapacitor, there will be a video link over here. Please click on that video and watch the video in order to make this kind of powerful homemade supercapacitor. Okay, if you like the video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. See you in the next videos my friends. Take care of yourself.